Good day, guys. Being here. Today, let's try to model this this building. Okay, so let's start. So this is what I did roughly. So it's a very basic organic shape massing. Okay, so let's do it. So first, we're going to create a conceptual mass. Okay, so okay, let me show. So this we are going to only model this part. So let's do it. So it will be very simple. So it will be a reference. So use spline through points, and then first I want to just roughly model some. Okay, so something like this. So this will be, so all these points will be on the reference level. So, okay, so once we have this, so we can select this reference line and let me just click on this. So now we can copy. So CC, copy them up. So roughly, I'll just copy two of them. So roughly 1, 2, 3. And then if you look at this image, so it will be, so this overhand. So we just need to adjust the points here. So for example, I'll select these two and I'm going to just move them out. Okay, so maybe no, maybe we can just do this. So instead of we can just use a keyboard. Okay, so select these two, go to top, and let's use Shift plus keyboard. Okay, so it will move faster. Shift keyboard, move down, move that way. So okay, so then go back, select these two, go click on top, Shift keyboard. So double the amount. Okay, so double the amount. So now we have this shape. Okay, so here, and you will see here, so we need to lift this. Okay, so now go back here. So select this point, and you will see X, Y, Z. I'm not sure which one's X, X, Y, but this one's D, Z. Okay, so we just need to lift this up, and also maybe just move it out a little bit. Yeah, maybe this one need to go out as well, so we can also do this. Okay, so now we can select all these three reference line and create form. So this will be that roughly this shape. Okay, so now we can select this form and use divided surface. And let's have a look at this. So it looks like maybe roughly 20 of them. Currently we maybe have 10, so maybe I'll just try change this. Sorry, wrong one. This one, 20. Yep. Yep, so close. So now, okay, so all these, the grid, the number of the grids are, I think it's roughly okay. I think it's okay. Now we are going to create these, what do we call them? Blades or horizontal members. Okay, so horizontal member. So I'm going to use adaptive point and place it along these grids. Okay, so first I want to know how many points we need. So I'll just count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it looks like we just whatever this number is, we just need to plus 1. Okay, so now let's go to let's go create a new adaptive family. Okay, so in this adaptive adaptive family, I'm going to place 11 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops, sorry. And make them adaptive and create a spline and make it a reference line. So then place another point and draw on face and place it on this reference line. And then use a reference line. Let's make it rectangular profile for those blades. So draw on world plan, set world plan. Pick this world plan of this point, and I'm going to just draw a shape. So roughly like this. So so I just roughly move to center to this point. Okay, and also the dimension of this 180. Yeah, roughly. I think it's okay. And let's check the depths. So let's make it maybe 900. Okay, so and also another thing is because I'm not sure about the orientation of this point, so to make it easier to control it, so I'm going to select this point and add a rotation angle, so I can just rotate it so anytime. So I'm going to use type. Okay, so okay and okay. So now we can select the reference lines and this point, CC. So I'm going to just place it and pick new host and place it this back onto this reference line. And then select this point. So I'm going to just change type in 1. And with this one, I'll just type in. So select this point and type in 0. So now we can select this profile, control, select this path, and also this profile, and create a form. So this will be it. Okay. So now we can load this into this. And okay, before I place this, we need to select this divided surface. Go display properties, check the nodes, and okay. So go back, create component. So now let's place it. So I'm going to place it on here. So 1, 2, 3. A little bit slow, sorry. Come on. Yeah, I'm not sure because this something's not right because this is actually very simple geometry. I'll do this. I'll cancel this because it looks like it's take a long time to even place, so what I'm going to do is I'll go back to here and I'm going to dissolve this. Okay, so dissolve this geometry, and I'll just turn. I'll then load this back. Overwrite. So now this time when I place, it should be very fast because there's no geometry, right? Good. So I'll just place 11 points along this divided surface. Okay, so last one. Or down. So now actually you can select it. You can't see it, but you can select. So see, you just need to. It's here. select it. So you will also see this number of these adaptive points. Okay, so now it's all good. We can go back in here. So let me just Control Z. So this will bring back the solid and load this back into here and overwrite. So yeah, so that's it. So now it looks like we need a horizontal. So we can select this family, edit type, change it to 90°. All good. And then we can select it and click on this repeat. And we just need to wait for a few seconds. That's done. Okay. And you can, in this family, you can also, when you draw this profile, you can also add dimension and create parameter. So you can also control it here. Okay. So now, so can we move these blades? Of course we can. But before that, we need to select this. So this is a repeater. Okay, so repeater. And we just first need to remove this repeater so they become individual adaptive family. So now, for example, if I want to move this one, you just need to move here. So see this point. So if you select this one, so you will see, maybe change to wireframe WF. So see this point. So you will be able to select this point. Once you select this point, you can go here, host, change this to no or not associated. So now you will see this, and also so these errors, they are not X, Y, Z. They are somehow parallel or perpendicular to some geometry, I think. So what you can do is you can press space bar. So this will change this, change those what's that called, axis or to X, Y, Z. So now you can adjust them to, move them, and you will see you can move this. Okay, so or you want to open this gap or something like that, so you can do that. And also, if you want to change the depths of these, because currently this one's all same depths, but you can. So for example, currently this one's there are two profile. So if you add another one, so make it deeper, so you can create one of this adaptive family with different depths. Okay, so I'll leave it to you. Okay, so now let's go back and have a look at this again. So there looks like there are some glazing here, glazing between these blades. So yeah, we can do that, but this time let's try a different method. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so this is divided, still this is a divided surface, right? We can still change this one too. So for example, any pattern. So let's try rectangular. So, and now you will see, because these grids, this is very, what do I say, very wide. So, and probably it's a little bit hard to see. Let me just S-A-H-H. So all these panels, they are actually flat. So you will see this is flat. But because the number of the grids is not high enough, so this is not very nice. So you'll see this. So what we can do is we can increase the number of this, but because we place, so previously we placed these blades onto these nodes. So if we change this one, we will mess up these blades. So what we can do is we can just create another divided surface. So, okay, so for this one, I'm going to just change this back to no pattern. Okay, so this is only for the blades. And then I'll select all these blades, HH, and then I'll just select this divided surface and HH. So now I try to select, so these reference lines. So let's tab, oh, not this one, tab, this one, yeah. So this reference line, and also this one, control select, and control tab, control select. So 1, 2, 3 again. So we create another surface, another form, and we create another divided surface and change this one to 20 to match the other one. And this time we can change this one to, larger number. So for example, 30. So now we can, if we create, we use a pattern. So for example, a rectangular. So it's more, I think it's better, smooth, right? They are, oh, actually, hang on. Yeah, it's currently it's curved because there's no panel, so we need to create a panel. So let me just quickly create a panel family. So we can create a curtain panel pattern based family, and so this one is a rectangle grid. So just need to select these and create a form. So I'm going to just use a face, and I'll give it a glass material. And also, if you want to, you can add a frame. So I'm going to just hide this glass HH, place a point, draw on face, and place it on this reference line. And the reference rectangle, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane, and draw a shape. So I'll just roughly maybe 50 by 150 and roughly center to this point. Okay, so now we can select this profile and together with not 4 but 2 of these reference line, and then create a form. So this will be the frame. So now if I load this back into the first conceptual mass, and then we can select this divided surface, and select. Let me select this. Something's not right. HR. I think it's this one. Yes. Okay. So then we can just go back here. So change it to family 3. So now just need to wait for a few seconds. And now you will see we have some glazing, okay, with these frames. All good. And that's it. That's it for today. So I think it's close. Anyway, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.